I'm going to let you in on a little secret to cooking the perfect picnic on your gas barbecue. Now, on average, Australians have at least one barbecue a week. Now, sausages and steak are fine, but why not try something a little bit different? Why not try my Malaysian BBQ chicken cooked on the gas barbecue? And here's how you do it. What we're going to do is marinate the chicken, and I've got a great little marinade here. I've got some rendang curry paste, some garlic, some ginger, chilli, and spring onions. And all I'm going to do is add my chicken. Now, what I'm using are chicken thighs with the skin on and the bone in. I find the skin keeps the moisture and the bone holds it together. And I always say that meat cooked on the bone is always going to be the sweetest. Pop that into your marinade like that. Now, to bring it all together, I'm going to add a little bit of flour. About a tablespoon of flour helps to bind it all together. Now, we need some extra virgin olive oil, and I'll put a good splush of extra virgin olive oil. It gives it a great flavour and helps to lubricate it on my gas barbecue. And of course, some salt, because salt loves meat and meat loves salt, and you can't cook meat without salt. It brings out the flavour, and a good twist of pepper over the top to bring it all together. Now, this bit is what I like to do. I like to get my hands into it and mix it all around. And it's really important when you do that, make sure your hands are washed and clean. I like to mix it with my hands because then I know the marinade is in every single nook and cranny. Once I've mixed it in properly, all I need to do is cook it. So what I do is put the chicken skin side down, that way it becomes nice and crispy. Now, I've set my gas barbecue to about half speed. I want the chicken to cook nice and slowly so it caramelizes beautifully and cooks all the way through. And that's going to give me time to wash my hands and make a beautiful coconut rice. To make the coconut rice, bring some water and some coconut cream or milk to the boil, add your rice, cook it for 20 minutes and let it sit for 5. After about 10 minutes, my chicken is cooked. Look at that. It looks fantastic and smells even better. And one of the great things about cooking on a gas barbecue outdoors is all the strong smells stay outside where they belong. And you know what? Your neighbours will be popping their head over the top of the fence to try and smell what's going on. Now, if you want to know how your chicken's cooked, you could always use a digital thermometer. 72 is the magic number on the inside of your chicken, and that way you know it's cooked all the way through and staying nice and moist and juicy. Now, all I need to do is finish it off. A little bit of coriander on top and some deep fried shallots, and of course a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, and why not some fresh lime. You know what? You can cook anything outdoors on your gas barbecue. For this delicious recipe and so much more, go to brighter.com.au. Look at that, fantastic.